In today's video, I'm going to show you how to trim and cut parts of a video that you've added to your Canva canvas. Whether you're editing a short clip for social media, preparing a presentation, or fine-tuning a personal video, learning how to trim your footage properly can make your final design look clean and professional. Let's get started. First, open your Canva project that contains the video you want to edit. Once your design is on the screen, click directly on the video to make sure it's selected. You'll know it's selected when you see a highlighted border or editing options appear around it. This step might seem small, but when you're working on a project that includes multiple layers, like text, images, or graphics, making sure the correct video layer is selected is essential. With the video selected, look at the toolbar that appears above or below your canvas. You'll find an icon that looks like a pair of scissors or a horizontal bar with handles on each end. That's the trim icon. Go ahead and click it. As soon as you do, Canva will switch into trimming mode. You'll now see your video laid out on a simple timeline with two drag-gettable handles, one on the left and one on the right. These handles represent the start and end points of your video. To trim the video, click and drag the left handle to set where you want your video to start, and the right handle to mark where you want it to end. As you drag each handle, keep an eye on the video preview. It updates in real time, helping you see exactly which moments you're keeping and which parts you're cutting out. If you're trimming to remove pauses, filler clips, or unnecessary footage, take your time to review the preview until you find the exact second you want your video to begin or end. Once you've adjusted both handles and are happy with your selection, click Done. Canva will save your changes and return you to the main canvas. You've now successfully trimmed your video. It's always a good idea to preview the edited video before moving on. Play it back to make sure everything flows naturally and no important moments were accidentally cut out. If you notice something you'd like to tweak, you can easily go back into trimming mode and make further adjustments. Now, what if you want to cut out a section in the middle of your video, not just trim the start or end? Canva's current video editor doesn't have a split button inside the trim mode, but here's a simple workaround. Duplicate your video clip, then trim the first one to end right before the unwanted section, and trim the second clip to start right after it. When you line them up on your canvas, it creates a smooth cut, just like professional video editors do. Once you're satisfied with your trims and cuts, you can move on to adding text, transitions, or background music to complete your design. Canva makes it easy to add those finishing touches that make your video more engaging and visually cohesive. And that's all it takes. You've learned how to trim and cut parts of a video in Canva, keeping your project neat and focused without needing any advanced editing software. To recap quickly, select your video, click the trim icon, adjust the start and end handles, review your changes, and hit Done. For mid-clip edits, use the duplicate and trim method to create a seamless cut. With just a few clicks, your videos will look sharper, flow better, and capture your message more effectively. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if there's another Canva feature you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy editing.